First game of the night. We're doing it on the Nexus because Omega's down. They're doing server stuff. I'm gonna curse the old land, set the... I don't get Ash, come on. Curse the old land. Activate, pay 8. Not gonna Ash it. I thought I was gonna get a Scarlet, Sanguine, no? Damn it. Yeah. Damn it. Tremendo. Oh, this is just add Emancipator. It's gonna add the pickup. I can't even pronounce that. No. Onomato pickup. Oh, that is a oh, this is GOGOGO. That's it. Just end your turn. No. This trap card is a threat. So, Eldritch, send Aquero, target and send that face down. Spell trap. Oh, Imperm. Not bad. Let's duel wins. Did he just scoop the whole thing? Wow. What the fuck was that? Comment, share, like if you subbed it, subject selected. See you guys.